battle devastating commercial and domestic fires like this one. In fact, there are over 10,000 house fires in Australia each year, causing more than 1,500 injuries, 70 deaths, and millions of dollars of damaged property. House fires can be both devastating and heartbreaking. They can take everything from you, including your house, your possessions, your life, and the lives of those you love. These kinds of fires happen all too frequently, and they happen fast. This house will literally be razed to the ground in less than 15 minutes. Mains-powered domestic smoke alarms for residential applications are designed to detect smoke and alert occupants to the danger. Alarms can respond to very small amounts of smoke, sounding a warning before the fire has a chance to get out of control. This maximises the amount of time you have to save your life and the lives of your family. The precious time gained through early detection could mean all the difference between tragedy and a safe evacuation. That's why every home needs a sufficient number of suitably placed and appropriate mains-powered smoke alarms. Legislation now requires that if you buy, rent, build or renovate, you must have at least one mains-powered smoke alarm. To fully comply with the building code, alarms must be listed by active fire, comply with Australian standard AS 3786 and be installed by a licensed electrician. Now let's take a look at some of the most common causes of fires that start in the home. We've demonstrated how dangerous fires can be, why early detection of smoke, the real killer, can save lives, and why it's important to have a number of mains-powered smoke alarms professionally installed.
A mains-powered smoke alarm obviously is powered by 240 volt, but if the power fails, it has a battery backup in it, so therefore it's more reliable. A battery-powered smoke alarm that you buy off the shelf in a supermarket has only one source of power, and it relies on you to change the battery when required and maintain the unit correctly.
Can you tell us the most common cause of house fires?
About 50% of all situations are kitchen fires, but in most cases they're not the most serious fires because invariably people are home, they smell the cooking burning on the stove and they're able to do something about it. The more serious fires occur when you're sleeping, and they can be from discarded smoking materials, electrical fires, or if you've left the radiator too close to a clothes you're drying in the wintertime, things like that.
What sort of danger are people putting their lives in if they don't have smoke alarms installed?
Obviously a great risk, because people don't appreciate that when they're asleep they lose their sense of smell and they may not be aware that they have a fire inside their building.
Brompton residents ran for their lives early this morning after...
I feel really helpless because you can't do anything and it's your house and you can just lose everything.
Terrified residents, including 4 people next door, were evacuated.
Looked like there's flames. They just yelled out to me and just get up and get dressed and grab the cat, and so I could get outside.
Don't become another statistic, a victim of one of the 10,000 house fires in Australia each year. You should install photoelectric and ionisation smoke alarms that are mains powered and interconnected. Ask your electrician to quote on Clipsal FireTech smoke alarms for your home, or call 1300 66 99 25 or visit clipsal.com/firetech.